Today, guys, we are gonna be setting up one of these mini kicker ramps. Now, Forever Two Wheels was actually nice enough to send us out 2 of their mini kicker ramps for pit bikes and 2 big kicker ramp extensions for them. So me and Mo are actually gonna set these up today, see what they're all about. We're kind of excited. We got the pit bikes, getting my tire put back on, because in the last pit bike video, I popped my tire. Haven't dealt with it much lately. We're gonna get this thing back together for sure and go rip these ramps right here. He said to go ahead and open these boxes so we can build them together. So I'm gonna grab a pair of scissors and start opening it. So guys, we got all the parts laid out here. This ramp is actually like pretty good quality. This is so sick. I can't wait to build it. I'm gonna read the instructions. Hopefully Mo is pulling up right now. And so let's do this thing. Let's build this sucker. Ooh, looks like Mo actually got his big bike back too. Got the units out here. They got the truck looking all cleaned up. What's up, dude? Dude, I'm ready.
I just didn't stop.
Dude, come look at this ramp. It's like pretty good quality.
Is it really? You unboxed it before me?
I'm sorry. Hey, Chase and Haley didn't even take a ramp. They took an extension. They couldn't even use it. They're freaking idiots, dude. Look at this thing.
Yo, that's quality. Wait. You want to try it out?
Yeah, try it out, bro. Oh my God,
Oh my God, you see how much you care?
Little Mac bag?
Wait, try it.
Oh, okay.
I got you. All right, ready?
Holy crap.
360, baby? Yo, you're gnarly. Holy.
Dude, this ramp is gonna be fun, but I'm kind of nervous to see what the big kick ramp extension looks like.
Yeah, I know. Can we add one real quick?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Right.
We're definitely gonna bring both of them, for sure.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Probably. Yeah, that's probably how it'll
The
sit.
extensions
All right.
like this.
Yeah, right, exactly. All right, let's dive into it. Let's get this thing built. Before using this ramp, check for low-flying birds and aircraft. Nice, dude.
Nice.
Look at this thing. It's coming together. Sheesh. All right, we're going to put the other side in and build the extension. We'll catch you guys up at the track. Look how big this ramp is looking. It's like about up to my chest right here. This is going to be quite a sketchy sim, that's for sure, but we're going to do it. All right, Mo, come hit this. So we got a little ramp set up just to this hip right here. It looks pretty mellow. It's not bad. No. I mean, it looks cool in person.
How does it feel? Feel like it kicks?
It feels like I'm a little bitch.
So we need to add the other.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's the best one yet, though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh. That's perfect. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video so far. Leave a like for the mini kicker ramps. Those are pretty sick. Well, hop on my bike, hop on the GoPro, and let's get it ripping. All right, Mo said he made it pretty big, so we're gonna ride over there.
Oh, you cased the shit out of it. Oh my, dude, that's seamless. That looks sketchy. It looks sketchy though. Oh God, that was close. Yeah, dude, that's fun. That's so much fun.
You got that shit clean.
Dude, that shit's pretty cool. Let's go, baby. This is so clean. I love the setup. Oh, he didn't do that with any speed at all. Oh, you peed. Let's go, baby. Dude, killed that. It's a gap for sure. He's barely making that one. I love that line too. I love doing the foot plant right there. That's so much fun. Yeah, this jump right here is pretty fun too. I mean, that's a nice little gap right there for sure. It's perfect little booter for that. Let's go, baby. Ripping. The truck looks so good. What's up? You want to race, bro? You want to race? How many laps? 2?
Yeah.
What's the finish line? That? All right. Oh shoot! You good? We'll keep going. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. You look. Bro. Get out of here, bro. Oh, I just drifted the shit out of that. Bro, you just get that fit.
I almost wrecked.
Oh.
Miller sent me off, and I cut him off.
Let's do that one more time. That's so much fun. Alright, round 2. I'm gonna talk a little bit more. Oh my god, that was so funny.
I'll let you get to that double over there. Coming back around is white flag.
Okay.
So right at this hit though.
Okay.
This hit, and if I beat you, then you have to hit the big ramp first.
Okay, I'm down. Alright, you ready? Mark, that's it, go. Oh shit, no. He's kind of tracking everything, dude. Get out of here, Mo. Let's go, baby! Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! That was close, bro. Oh, dude, did you see me drift into that corner right there? I was like, oh, guys, I'm gonna switch it to the big camera. We're gonna put that together and let's see it. Yeah, so this is the jump right here. This is the big one. Doesn't look that bad, actually, now that we're looking at it. I mean, honestly, he's just gonna pop up there. So Mo's gonna give us the first go around and then we're gonna see how it goes.
Damn,
got it, Mo.
Yeah, I got it.
Mo's this. Mo's this. I think it's just the look of the jump, like going up to it.
It's not dirt.
Yeah,
like
I mean, it goes about to your waist, so I mean, it's a pretty decent little jump, honestly.
You think it's gonna kick me?
No, it shouldn't kick you too bad.
I was more nervous about landing off the end. All right, move it.
Not bad?
Move it. All right, put in the comments right now if Miller eats it or he makes it. These boots are killing my my ankle.
It doesn't look that bad though.
Oh, why am I zoomed in? Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Yo! Oh!
Right there. That was crazy.
Right on. Yeah.
What?
Round 2. Oh yeah. That was clean.
Proud of me, dude?
That was dope.
Dude, that's big.
Yeah. All right, after like
An hour.
no, it was like 30 minutes of debating, a little
Scheming, engineering.
like annoyed with each other a little bit. I think we got it down.
Yeah, you got it all day, dude.
On camera, it's gonna be like this big.
Mo Cabry coming in on the number 12 bike. Nice! Yeah. How's you feel? Alright. Dang. Not bad?
Not bad.
Nice,
Bigger.
dude. Huh?
We can go bigger.
But this is a little bit bigger now. Looks like a lot of fun. I think we got it all day though, honestly. You got it, Mo? Oh, a little bit of a case.
I need to go faster.
Yeah.
Nice.
Perfect. Pretty good?
Now I can start brake tapping it so it doesn't look like I'm Ronnie Mac.
Yeah, I'm not sure that helps that much on a pit bike, but you know, you never know. Pretty good or no?
It's really, I mean, it's pretty fun. I think we can go bigger.
Well, let me hit this first before you go any bigger.
Did I chase that bad?
Yeah, pretty bad.
Oh no, it was the shoot.
Hell yeah. You're up next. Oh!
We need more speed, bud. We need more speed.
Am I ready for this one? A little bit faster than the last one?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the biggest one we've got so far, so let's see how this goes, honestly. Woo! Holy shit! Oh God, that's crazy. You're hucking that thing. Let's go, baby. Woo! God almighty. I'm not that clean on this one. All right, let's try this one. Not bad, not bad, getting better. Kind of cased it. That's fun, dude. It's fun having these freestyle ramps too. Shout out to Forever 2 Hills because this is baller as hell. Woo! Let's go, baby! That was clean. This is sick. Chase is absolutely gonna love this. Absolutely gonna love this one. Woo! Dude, that's so great. That is so much fun. Yeah. Let's go! What am I doing, bro? That's so nuts. Who am I? That's so stupid. What, bro? Oh, my nuts on that one. Woo! Let's go. That is so dope, bro. Who am I? All right, take it down. That is so much fun. We're gonna move the ramp back a little bit, get some more air time because that is just so much fun. All right, guys. Mo moved it back about 2 feet now. Let's see this thing back. Dang, son. Dude, you're killing it.
You're carrying a shit ton of speed through
Yeah,
there.
you are.
Oh.
I'm gonna bust out the big camera, get some pictures, get some cinematics because we're gonna kick it into the montage, ladies.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like.
That's a lot of fun, guys. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end off the video here. As soon as I land this jump, video's over. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.